Hello, good morning. Hi, guys. How are you? I know today I'm late, but yeah, we can start the live. So if you can hear me clearly, type yes or say hi, good morning on the comment section. So those watching me directly on my YouTube channel, comment yes or say hi, good morning. Shout out to Charles. I can say good morning, Abdul. Hi, good morning, Charles. Dennis Kimani, how are you? Spongy, how are you? Good morning. And those watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why I'm doing the analysis. Wanjiru Mugondu, hi, good morning. Micro Teach, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I can see your comment. So let's hit 20 people so as we can start the live. So those watching me on my TikTok, go directly to my YouTube channel. That's where you can be able to see the live. That's why I would normally share my screen. I can be able to share my screen. So my YouTube channel is Dr. Forex. You can go and search it at Dr. Forex. Or you can go to my Telegram, click the link. You can be able to see me. 20 people they are here. They're enough. Okay. So Jamal, hi, good morning. I see Jamal. I see Eric Hills said good morning. Okay, we are good. We have enough people to start the live. Okay. So today lighting yellow iko poa, but I'm improving. Yeah, I can see the lighting yellow iko poa sana. Okay, so which pair are you looking forward to trade today before we go directly to the analysis? And which pair did you take yesterday through the analysis we did? I know yesterday we had more than 3 analyses. I know I shared GBP CAD, USD CHF, and Euro CAD. And which other pair did I share? Okay, let's go directly to the charts. Then we can analyze the market. Okay, so I'll be reading through all the comments. So if you have any inquiry, if you have any question, you can read through the comments. And yeah, if you need any clarification, you can be able to comment on the comment sections. I'll be glad to answer your comment. Simon Bro, okay, good morning too. So and those watching me on my TikTok, kindly go to my YouTube channel. I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why you can be able to see the live. And yeah, let's start the analysis. Okay. Hi, good morning. So, of course, we normally start with our first pair, which is Euro CHF. It's on our watch list. And for the past 1 week, it has been like a song. We don't have any view of Euro CHF because of the daily consolidating areas. And with a consolidating area on a daily time frame without having a whole bias of the market, we cannot have any entry because we don't know the overall direction of the pair. So Euro CHF, keep it pending until you have a clear direction of the market. Okay, on EuroCAD, this is EuroCAD. We have been selling EuroCAD since yesterday, and this analysis I shared, TP is hit. Yesterday, you remember yesterday when I gave this EuroCAD, TP1 is hit. I'm sure it has been hit right now. Yeah. So we did the analysis yesterday. I gave the sellers here. TP1 is hit. And the reason why, let's go back why we have been concluding that this market is bearish. Okay, let's go to daily time frame. And how did we come up with yesterday's entry? How many people took EuroCAD? Let me see on the comment section. How many people took EuroCAD? Yesterday morning poor. How many people took EuroCAD on the comment section? Okay, so coming back to the daily time frame, you remember we said that the markets broke the major demand zone, which was this area, which was the major demand zone, leaving another block there, of which we are waiting for the market to come back to that block. But once the area is broken, it has to be retested. So we normally have an entry once the market has retested which area, which was the major zone area here, this one, which came and retested. So that's why we are having our entries here. Another reasons why, and this is already my strategy, the reason why we had much confidence on us having this entry, much confidence on having these entries. Guys, can you hear me? I'm not sure if my voice is very clear. Let me see in the comment section. So is my voice very clear? Well done, Dr. Forrest. Ni Wafula Dennis. Thank you so much, Dema. Umekuwa baika tena, Dennis. Na umenitupa. Okay, so Machali is saying that my voice is very clear. So let's continue. The reason why I had so much confidence on this, and this is normally my strategy. I normally tell you, whenever we have this green candle, binded by a red candle, it gives me much confidence for me to have an entry there and a stop loss above the green candle, indicating the market is going to drop and drop and drop. And that's what was giving me much more confidence, regardless of also the structure, which the structure was very bearish for us to have the bearish entries. So I'm looking forward for these sales to come back all the way to this area, so they can now look either to have a change of character. So I'm looking for sales to continue all the way here. So when the market has hit our TP1 here, how are we going to have another entry? So another entry is either we have a continuation structure. A continuation structure is either having a flag, of which currently this is not a flag indicating for us to have an entry here. So we have to be patiently waiting for this market either to continue give us a continuation structure, because here we are not looking for a reversal. The market is already bearish. We are looking for continuation, so as we can continue selling this market all the way to this target, because these sales are all, they are coming all the way down here. So what are we going to do is patiently wait for this market to give us a continuation structures of a bearish structure. So this one, how many people took EuroCAD yesterday? If you didn't watch yesterday's live, you can go yesterday's live and see how we came up with this entry. So on today's entries on EuroCAD, I know this one tumekuwa tukikula hii trade since last week. I know we had sales kutoka huku, tulikulanga sales za flag hapa, tumekula sales hapa, but now today we don't have an entry on it because imehit our entries na tuwezi keep on now. Tuchukue sasa juu tumefika destination, tuchukue gari ingine tuanze kwenda nao kurudi bullish. Hapana, we have to patiently wait for us to have a clear entry on this pair. I'm sorry if I'm speaking Swahili. I'll try to speak English throughout the live. So those watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why you can be able to see the live analysis. Okay, coming back to GBP CAD. Yesterday we gave a sell on GBP CAD, and the reason why we were taking a sales on GBP CAD is because let's come on daily time frame. Let me show you. This is the reason why this consolidating area, it is indicating more sales. It was a flag on daily time frame, and we took these sales having a support on the previous day high. It materialized, but it went to halfway. Bado ijaguza TP, so bado ijaendelea because our TP, I'm targeting on this order block on daily time frame. I'm targeting this TP on daily time frame. The market to come back all the way down here. So I'm still bearish on GBP CAD. Can we have an entry on GBP CAD? Yes, we can have an entry, and the reason why is because of a flag. So we have these entries. Let me squeeze it there. Okay. We can have another entry on GBP CAD because this is what we call a bearish flag, a continuation structure. And this is what we're also looking forward for on EuroCAD. So this one indicates for more sales. This is not a reversal, one thing you have to know that. So this one indicates for more sales. So we are looking forward to have more sales on GBP CAD. And the reason why is because of the flag, we can clearly see it for us. So how are we going to have an entry? Wait for the 4 hours to close, these 4 hours, this candlestick which is here, and have a stop loss above the wick of these 4 hours. Let me show you. A stop loss with an entry and a stop loss with my short position. So on today's on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, you don't find me going back to doing long-term analysis, which is like starting analysis on a high time frame, because we have been analyzing this market since Monday, and we clearly have a bias of the overall trend of this market. We clearly know where the market is heading. We clearly know EuroCAD is bearish. We clearly know GBP CAD is bearish. We clearly know where the JPYs they are doing or what the other pairs they are doing. So what normally happens is keep on following this live analysis so as you can be always aware of what is happening in the market. You can keep up the data, because we normally now, we did the analysis Monday, Tuesday. We can come on the day on GBP CAD and again today and start the analysis from. So we know what we are doing yesterday. It's just a continuation of what we did yesterday and we did on Monday. So just keep a recurring record of what the market happened. So wait for this close of this 1 hour, close this 1 hour, and the closure of this. I hope it's closing the 4 hours now, and then we can have an entry on GBP CAD. US oil. Yesterday we didn't have a view on US oil. We said the market has to break this structure because I'm looking for more buys on US oil, and the reason why is the market is reacting for it. It fails to break this major zone here, for it to make this major zone, and currently the price is trading above the near supply, which is there, breaking that structure. And now let me give you another entry. So if you're on US oil, wait for these 4 hours to close. You see the current 4 hours and you see this red candle, have your entry there and have a stop loss below the red candle, because I don't expect this market to drop beyond this red candle, because this is a supply area and this is a red candle being left here, indicating another block, and we are going to fly away here, fly all the way here. So what are we going to have an entry? The strategy that we are going to use to have an entries on oil is wait for this closure. I know Jamal, I can see your comment. You're asking about Eurocard. So patiently wait for this market to close this candlestick of the 4 hours to give us confirmation, because if you don't wait, by the time you're closing 4 hours, it can close bearish, indicating for Moses. But it is closed this bullish, indicating for more buys and a strong buys. So have your entries and a stop loss below this red candle. So your structure will be looking like such a way this way. Note that, keep noting the statements I'm giving. Wait for the close of 4 hours. So your entries should be like this. Have a minimum stop loss there. So this is a very tight stop loss, and target this green candle here. Target this area. It has a risk to reward ratio of 4.6. So that's on US oil. Okay. Should we hold? Miriam, which pair are you asking? Should we continue holding? Eurocard, hit my break even Eurocard. You're talking about Eurocard? Eurocard has hit TP. Eurocard has hit TP. I will read the comment once I'm done with the live. So let me not concentrate on the comment section. So I'll read the comments once I'm done with the analysis here. So we are on USL. So this is the view on USL. So, but carefully wait for this market to close on the 4 hours. So those on the TikTok, kindly go to my YouTube channel. That's why I'm sharing the live screen. I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why you can be able to see the screen. So what about AUD USD? So I'll do all those analysis on my YouTube channel. So Euro JPY, this JPY. And yesterday, you remember when I said I don't have a clear view on JPYs, and I didn't give any analysis on JPY because I want to see the overall direction of these JPYs. I want to see the overall direction, like, the buyers of the whole pair. Yesterday they were selling. Today we woke up with a very strong bullish. Sorry, do we have any fundamentals? Let's check on the Forex Factory. Today's on Wednesday. We have GBP news on 10 a.m. Zimepita. It's on CPI. We don't have any other fundamentals today. Okay, so the market is clear. So on the JPYs, I'll still retain my words. Let's have a clear overall bias of the JPYs. I don't have a clear bias because they are selling their bias. Coming back to daily time frame, you can clearly see yesterday the market went down, swiping the whole day, the previous day low, and coming back all the way. Now the market is bullish until I have a clear bias on the whole market. That's when I'll now be able to give the bias on GBP JPY. I know GBP JPY and GBP CAD, they are my pairs. Today I have a GBP CAD, but I don't have on GBP JPY because the whole bias on the market, I don't have the clear direction of the market. So leave the USD JPY, see, leave alone the USD JPYs and all those. Let's go to Euro USD. Okay, on Euro USD, I was been keenly waiting and patiently waiting for this market to come back to this area. Not yet activated my zone, but I still retain. This is the entry zone for Euro USD. So I'm waiting for the market to come back to this zone on 4 hours so that I can have my sales on Euro USD. Euro AUD. Okay, so Euro AUD. Oh, okay, this is the pair we took on Monday. I gave these sales here because of the inverted. How many people? Let me see how many people can be able to do the swing trade. How many people are still holding Euro AUD? Wangapi wako na Euro AUD? I know Simon yesterday alinionyesha alikuwa na Euro AUD yake ya Monday. How many people are still holding the Euro AUD? Let me see on the comment section. Me. Oh, Jamal, you're still holding Euro AUD. Oh, great, 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 great. So, hey, this one I give you a thumbs up. Like, congratulations. This time we may hold the position. I know you like closing your position very early. Thumbs up if you are still holding Euro AUD. How many people are still holding Euro AUD? Who else? Who else? Who else? Tina. I'm still holding. Oh, Tina is still holding Euro AUD. Okay, okay, okay. Another one more person. We have three confirmation of three people holding Euro AUD. I see people are still following the analysis that I do give. One more person. Let me see who else. I know Simon has already left the live. How many people are still holding Euro AUD? I gave these entries, and I remember it was a very sharp entries. Nilitoka Ouko Brian amesema alitoka mod micro is still holding. So you see, we have almost few people are still holding, but most of them I know ametoka. That's why they're not commenting. But Brian amesema he alit exit. But yeah, this one was a setup, and let me comment on this. And first emphasizing on this because I normally don't change my bias overnight. So siwezi kuwa na sales euro AUD kuanzia Monday leo nikuje niwaambie mbai. So let me comment on this. If you have such a kind of an entry, these are kind of the entries unaweza fanya swing trades. You'll notice my kind of analysis zenye nafanyanga on YouTube and these I share, they are long-term analysis. Sio entries utachukua 1 hour sahi and then urudi utoke the next 1 hour. They are entries which are going to give you high probability winning rate in such a way they're going to give you so much pips in the market. So having an entry like on Euro AUD, I emphasize that the market was back on the weekly liquidity and was the previous day liquidity. So meaning the market ikitoka from hapo itashuka all the way down, giving you a good reward ratio. Let me go to forward. So unaweza pata these cells, they are going to come back all the way hadi huku. Na hizo ni pips ngapi? Let's calculate guys. I know people mnapenda pesa za haraka, but pesa inakwanga hapa, pesa imetulia ni hapa. Unaweka hii position hata unaenda ushago kutembea 1 week, you come back. I'm sorry I'm speaking Swahili. And then you come back after 1 week. So you see the market is giving you more than 300 pips. 300 pips, we had a stop loss of less than 10 pips. Stop loss of 10 pips and risk to reward ratio of more than 300 pips. Do you know with a stop loss of 10 pips, with a lot size of 1, you are risking $100. And a risk to reward ratio inakupea more than $3,000. So imagine una risk $100 because trading is risk. Let me mention again, trading is risk. Before you take any entry, make sure you have calculated the risk you are taking. Be aware of the amount of pips, the amount of money you are risking per trade you are taking. So if you took this trade with a risk of $100, the reward was $3,000. Bado inashuka all the way to here. So you can compare the risk. Hata hiyo ni risk ingine you are not supposed to be negotiating. That's a reward one. Iko sawa. So our buyers still remain. We are still bearish on it. But is there any entry today? A flag? Okay. So if you are looking forward to have this entry, this is on the entry on 4 hours, you can continue selling, but note that these ones don't overload size because the market ishatoka entry point yetu. So kama unaongeza position zako, uongeze position ndogo tu kidogo and a stop loss above that green candle, because this one, naambianga every time a green candle budded by the red candle, market inakujanga kushuka. So you can have entry and continue selling up with Euro AUD. That's on Euro AUD. And note that kuna watu walichukua position huko juu bado wamehold hapa hivi. Wanjiru wa Gold wamesema I'm still holding and Rotich. Okay, great. I see most of the people are still holding. Share this live to your friends. Let's hit more than 50 people viewers on YouTube. Let's hit more than 50 people. Tuendelee na analysis. NZD CAD. NZD CAD, we are looking forward to have these entries irudi hapa. Bado ina sales. This ranging, I don't have any views. Siwezi kuja kuambia uchukue entry hapa because hapa hakuna buyers. Market inaenda wapi. And the reason why I was waiting for this patient is because of this order block, but the overall direction of NZD CAD is bearish. Direction yake ni bearish, bado inashuka. So tutaenda two entries, but hapa hakuna any other entries iko hapa. TG anasema 400 pips. So those people watching me on my TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube. You can only see these analysis on my YouTube channel. So let's go to CAD JPY. The JPY nimezi keep off since Monday because sina any direction. And the reason why I said JPY, you have to be very keen. Because sababu, if you don't have a direction ya JPY, they are very volatile. And you find that the JPY yenyewe inakwanga na pesa, like it's very volatile in such a way that kama huna the whole bias of the direction of the market, it can simply wipe off your account because they normally have those impulsive market. Unaweza pata in a single day market move 300 pips without even any news, without any fundamentals, but inakuwa na zile impulsive moves in the market. So you have to position yourself in the market in such a way that you know the overall direction of the pairs. See, could trade too because unataka to trade, not trading because you want to trade. Sorry, I'm speaking sorry, but I'll try to focus on English. Not trading because you really want to trade that day. It's because you have a whole bias, you know the overall direction of the market, so you can look for an entry. So make sure if you are trading, you know the whole bias of the market. So let's continue to catch JPY. I'm out of them because I don't have the bias of the JPY's currently. And JPY, they are very good. They can give you very good amount of pips. See, tuko na nyinyi hapa. We're still waiting for you. I'll see one. You'll see once we get a very good entry in catching more than 400 pips on the JPYs. Yeah. So Audi, this is GBP AUD. We talked about the breakout and the retest. GBP AUD, let's come to daily time frame. GBP AUD for me is bearish. And where can we have an entry? Let's remove drawings. Remove drawings. Okay. I can look forward for more sales on GBP AUD on this area, on this order block area. Yes, the market has already tapped the order block area again. Yes, I'm looking forward for sales on GBP AUD. And the reason why the market is bearish and tapping an order block on 4 hours, breakout structure, the market is holding below and coming back to the order block on 4 hours, and then we can continue selling. So I'll go having a setup in a KIV, a short position. Share this live, a short position. As stop loss way above that week, iko hapo hivyo on 4 hours, and then I would target this area. Make sure you share this, like, make sure you hit that like button. That's the only way you can support me on YouTube for doing this fully analysis with you guys. Okay, that's the view on GBP AUD. That's the view. You can patiently wait for this market to come back to that order block, this zone again, to do like another top again. But if it doesn't but it doesn't come back again to that area by the next 1 hour, then we are looking forward for more sales on GBP AUD. Okay, so GBP CHF. So we were looking forward for more sales at this area. And the reason why we were looking for this sales because the GBP CHF was bearish. Let's move the trend. This was, I think, was yesterday's analysis, somehow on Mondays, because yesterday I don't think we had the GBP CHF. Okay, what is the view on daily time frame? Failure to break the low. This is the buyers on the daily. The market is unable to break this low. Is there another block left on showing a rejection? A very strong engulfing coming back to 1 hour. Okay, so can you guys see an inverse, a reversal structure? So how do you notice that the market is doing a reversal? You notice the market is doing a reversal is once it hit a major reversal, a major zone, and it form a reversal structure. So for me currently, you can clearly see on daily, the market is unable to break the structure lower, indicating for a reversal, and the closure of the daily showing rejection. Coming back to 4 hours, no, we narrow down to 1 hour. So there's a reversal structure overhead and the shoulder. We can clearly do this area. So look forward for more buys when this market comes back to this area, and you buy this area and have and which is the low of the day. The low of the day today is on 20. The low of the day is here. Okay, so have your stop loss, have a structure like this way, long position. Thank you so much for sharing the live. We are more than 50 people, and continue buying and a stop loss way below this area. Okay, that's the structures on GBP CHF. And I can say that if you're taking on entries on GBP CHF, use my triangle by having your small entries here. More confirmation once it breaks also structures here. You can lay your orders. You can go lay in your orders. William Korea, Euro GBP still on the buy, still valid. What about GBP JPY basket? No, the JPY basket, I've been checking it. Now, let me show you why I'm avoiding the JPY is because I normally check JPY basket to give me the overall direction. I woke up today in the morning, I did the analysis on on the JPY basket. I didn't see the whole bias because we can shift from selling yesterday, we shift to buying today. So hiyo kurukaruka, you can una msimamo in the market. I'm sorry. I mean, like moving from buys today, tomorrow you're going to sales again. You don't have a clear bias on it, and you'll end up losing money because you don't have a clear view on the market where the market is heading to. So I normally trade a market which I know the overall direction is heading here, so they can have my entries in a proper position. So okay. So let's go to Euro GBP. You're still holding. No, 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 no. If you're on Euro GBP, the reason why, okay, Euro GBP has broken this area. So we had this entry on Euro GBP yesterday, tapping our entries and going again on a people. I could hit TPA too, ikarudia katikati. Now, this market failed to break this area. Let me remove these drawings. Okay. So this market failed to break this area. So I want to see the whole bars of this market failing to break this area. Now, William is saying he's still on Euro GBP. Euro GBP, I hope you had secured money. How many pips did this market move yesterday after hitting our entries? I remember yesterday telling you to have your entries on the previous day low. The market moved around 40 pips. You didn't secure, William. Okay, but it's okay. Let's do this. This is Euro GBP, and on daily time frame, this market is bearish. On daily time frame is forming, and it has already formed an inverse head and shoulder. This is the zone, and let's go on 4 hours. I know we see that zone on 4 hours also. Yes, that's the zone. So the only way we can have Euro GBP is market coming back again to these shoulders. So the next entry for Euro GBP can only be found on this area because we have the head, the shoulder, and then we have the head, the shoulders, and the shoulder. So another entry is here using through confirmation. So if you are going to have your entries on Euro GBP, is through the confirmation again. And never doubt. Let me show you another thing. I normally find people they are doing analysis and their screen is cohesive. Their screen, their analysis, their chart is cohesive. Never do analysis when your laptop is in such position. Normally do push your charts like in such a way they can be able to see the overall. You can be able to see the charts in a bigger time frame. In by a bigger time frame or a bigger picture, you can be able to see the history of the charts. So with such kind of view, you can be able to see the market structure clearly and where the market is heading to. So, Simon Buru, you're still on Euro GPP, or which pair are you talking about? So, on Euro GPP, I would advise you guys to wait for it at this particular level. But this one is not an A setup. So, have an start on it. This one is not an A setup because I didn't expect it to come back again way down after breaking those highs. Have your stop loss here. Yeah. Okay. So Euro GPP is not an A setup. Let's continue. AUD card. Okay, I still wait patiently for this because this is another trade. So in the next like 2 weeks, this one will be materializing in the next 1 week or 2 weeks. So AUD card, we are patiently waiting for this market to come back again. And once market come back again here, it's going to give us a long-term entry, which will be a swing trade on 4 hours. NZD CHF. This market is consolidating on daily time frame. No clear view on NZD CHF. Let's see. We were looking forward for reversal on daily time frame. The daily closing, okay, 4 hours. No, guys, stay away from this market until you have a clear view on NZD CHF, the overall bias of it, the overall direction. NZD USD. Oh, how many people took NZD? It went how many pips and then it's back? I gave this entry yesterday. The market went around how many pips? 38 pips. How many people were holding the NZD USD? So I hope you secured your money because I can see the market is retracing back to the entry point. Is there another block area? Okay. My setup will still remain and having an entry on this area. So on this order block area. So my still entry remain having an entry here again, a re-entry from yesterday. But let me tell you guys, if the market moves to 40 pips, over 40 pips, normally start securing your profit. I don't expect you now want a pesa because like yesterday, someone had doubled their account using USD CHF. And now they had $15 and then they had doubled their $15 with another 15. The account had already gotten to $30. Why don't you close that position? You invested in $15, you have 15 additional $15. What are you still waiting for this market? So make sure that you are on Caribbean. The moment you see you're on sale, mention the pair because I can't keep up the comment section. So on NZD you did tap the order block? Not yet. The zone? No. So I would wait for this market because the order block is on 4 hours to see the closure of the 1 hour because the order block is on 4 hours. I normally keep on mentioning how do we take our orders using order block? How do we have an entry using order block? So how do we going to have entries on NZD USD using this order block? So we normally wait for the closure of the candlestick using the particular time frame you are observing the order block so as you can see the view. So on NZDUSD, wait for patiently waiting for it on order block using the 1 hour time frame. Let's come back to gold. Now, this is gold. I'm still remaining with my buyers on gold. Gold, I'm still waiting for it patiently up to these levels of 26, 2672. So this is just a little bit of correction. So we are still going long positions on gold T26 position 2673, and the reason why is because on daily time frame we are going to have an inverse head and shoulder, this area. We are going to experience this the same case we had the inverse head and shoulder top here. We are going to experience this zone of 2670 is a valid zone. So if, before this market drops, it has to tap that zone. So how are we going to position ourselves to have an entry? We can have a re-entry on gold again on this area 2594. Back on 1 hour, I'll show you. So we can have a re-entry here. So for me, I'll be looking for a re-entry at this particular zone. This zone, this will be looking for re-entries all the way to 2670s. USD we were looking for sales yesterday. It have done our analysis and spiked in all the way up here. This trade didn't materialize. Let's go to daily time frame, the closure of daily time frame. How many people trade USD? Waiting, will it not go down? NZD USD. Okay. NZD USD, I've said Enoch Kurobia. Let me go back and answer you on USD, NZD USD. I've talked about this. NZD USD. On NZD, the reason why we were going long is because the break of structures. You can see the market broke the structure, the one it was following, and then indicating for more buyers. And now, again, yesterday we went buyers here because of this flag, went in 40 pips away. The market went 40 pips, and now we were looking for a re-entry today once the market taps again here. So if you are on sale, because Enoch Kurobia, I know you are on sale on NZUSD, you can make a decision on whether to close the position or to continue holding once the market get to the order block. So don't make rational decision because I said it's a bullish, because you can make a re-entry once this market is back to order block on 1 hour. So your confirmation will be seen on 1 hour so as to continue heading. So on daily time frame from frame on XAUD, there's an order block. Is it possible to tap that order block? Yes, the same analysis. The market will come and tap that order block, which is within the order block I've seen on 1 hour. Let me show you the order block on daily. It's a very big order block here. I know, Abdul, you're talking about this order block. This is the order block you're talking about, this one. The market will still come back again to my zone, which is within the order block area zone. Yes, that's what I'm talking. Repeat gold, sir. So I'm repeating gold. Again, we can have an order block on daily time frame where the market is still valid. Market lazima itarudi kwa hizi zones hii candlestick unaona hapa. Na kama market itarudi kwa hizi zone, bado tuko na inverse head and shoulder, which is a head, shoulder and a shoulder, waiting for market hapa, meaning bias ziko valid. Na unaona market ilishindwa kubreak hii zone ya in structures ilishindwa kubreak hii daily zone, the lower zone of this daily, indicating for a reversal, na hii reversal yote lazima ifike hapa. So how are we going to position ourselves to have an entry on gold? We can position ourselves to have an entry on gold on only this particular entry zone, area zone. So I know we have this zone yenye iko, kuna hii zone yenye iko ninaona. I clearly, I know there's this zone where the market is and there's this down zone. So I'll wait patiently for this market to come back again to this zone so as I can have a re-entry on it. So wait for this market to come back to this zone so as we can go to 2670, because 2670 is a valid zone. Lazima market itarudi hapo. It's a still valid zone. So because we have an entry, so I'm looking forward for such setup. So let me show you a buy up to that point and a sell again. Now we look for more sales. We continue now selling gold up to that area. The reason why inverse head and shoulder, and now wait for this market on daily time frame, we have an OB there. I was asking how many people trade USD ZAR? How many people trade USD ZAR? Let's go to GBP USD. Okay, on GBP USD, come back to 4 hours. Yesterday we were looking forward for more buys because of the flag, of which, by the way, could buy ile flag. Ilirudi chini all the way to this near zone and then ikabuy. This market for me is bullish. It's still bullish. Wait for this closure of this area, but because this is a flag indicating for more buys. Flag tu kama ya jana bado indicating for more buys. Lakini the overall trend of jua ya GU si bullish, ni bearish. Is a little bit of correction tuna having. We are still having a little bit of correction on GU. So if you are taking your entries on GU, just know that these are just correction. So don't go full margin, because I normally maybe I give a certain someone is going a full margin and they text me. So note that this is just a little bit of correction. And the moment you have to position yourself in the market in such a way that if you are going a correction in the market, don't overload size. Don't even go with big lot sizes. If you're going like you're just a little bit of correction, those are the trades you're supposed to take with low lot sizes, because you're going against the trend and it's just a little bit of correction, because the market can just change the direction all of a sudden and you can find yourself on the wrong direction. USD CHF. USD CHF, yesterday we were looking forward for the market to come back to this order block, and also looking forward for the market to drop because of the flag. The market dropped, yes, during the news, and we exited the position. I remember texting on my VIP group, my signal group. I indicated them for them to exit this position. Okay. So currently the market reacted on a major zone, this zone. Okay. And the overall trade of this pair is also bullish. Okay, I'll still remain. Wait for this market to come back again with our buyers to the order block on 4 hours. Wait patiently for this market to come back again. It will come. It will come back again to this area. It has to come back to this area so as we can have a long-term entry and a safe entry on USD CHF. So I'm still looking for this market to drop again to come back here. And the correlation is that whenever USD CHF, gold and USD CHF has a negative correlation, meaning whenever gold is buying, USD CHF normally sells. So that's why we are looking for the market to come back to this order block on 4 hours, and also on daily time frame, the order block, the market will come back to the order block, not the order block, yes, the order block on the gold. The market to come back to this area zone for gold and USD CHF for the market to come back again to this. That shows our analysis are correct, meaning the correlation is still working out. Yeah. BTC, have not been trading BTC in AUDUSD. AUDUSD, yesterday we were looking for more buys because of the flag. We had a flag on 1 hour. We had this flag area looking forward for more buys, and AUD USD and gold, they have a positive correlation. They have a positive correlation. So if gold is buying, AUD USD also is buying. Note that. Okay. Currently, I don't see any entry, because unless we have a continuation of our area of order block, I can't see any entry on AUD USD, because you see where the market price is. There's no any entry. Okay. Enoch Robbie is asking USD CHF. USD CHF, wait for this. Let me repeat on USD CHF. Wait for this market to come back again to this order block. You can remember even we had an alert on it. See, wait for this market to come back again to that order block. Okay, this is GJ and GBP JPY. This is GBP JPY, which is GJ. It's my favorite pair, but I don't have a view on it. I said since Monday we have not been having any pair, any view on GBP JPY. AUD CHF. AUD CHF, we were looking forward for sales. Dan had this pair. He hit TP. This was the setup. Our TP was hit. Dan, did you close? Is Dan here? Our TP was hit. I remember yesterday we were looking forward to sell this pair, this particular area. It was just a small sell. Dan is done here. Today I've not seen comment here, Dan. But I hope we'll funga hii pair on AUDCH. He's the one who took this pair. Let me wait for the comment section. Is Dan here? Jenny Gagaga is asking about USD card. Dan Electron, I'm talking about Dan wa laptop. Dan wa laptop. Yeah. Jen Gagaga amesema USD card. I'm checking USD card. Yes, I'm checking it out. Okay, I can't see his comment. Seems today you go on this live, but I remember Dan took this pair. I hope we'll close on TP yesterday. Okay, so let's remove these drawings. How did market reserve? Kwani iliguza which entry? Okay, so the market is giving us a little bit of bullish. Let's come back to 4 hours. Let's go to 1 hour. This is a flag on 1 hour. If you know how a flag looks like, this is how a flag looks like. Is that not an OB on USD card? I haven't checked USD card. I'll check it out. So this is a flag. I'm looking forward for more buys on this pair, indicating for more buys. Long position. Sorry, long position here. stop loss below that week, and then I will target this area. Risk ratio of 0.4. Okay, that's on AUD CHF, USD CAD, this USD CAD. We were looking forward for yesterday. I remember saying sales. I know Osongo. Osongo is here. Osongo is on live. Today I'm not seeing him and he's not in the office. So Osongo took sales here on USD CAD because of the flag. I hope you guys can remember. If you didn't watch our yesterday live, you can remember. Freedom Messi, is GBP USD worth bullish swings pair? No, no, it's not worth it. Farida Messi, not worth it. I'll tell you the worth pairs once we are done with the analysis. So this is USD CAD. We were looking forward for more sales, and the reason why, because the daily yesterday had the other previous daily on the previous day had closed with a very bearish entry, a very strong candlestick, a very strong bearish, which is was an engulfing. And then on, I was expecting for more sales yesterday. I know it is our actually most of the people they quitted this position because of this candlestick, only one candlestick which spiked up. But when news came, the market spiked down, it did materialize. We were looking for more sales. This is a flag. Guys, can you see this is a flag? Sir, but GJ has an open. I'll check GJ once I'm done. Okay, so on how many people are on USD card? Let me see on the comment section. How many people took USD card? Let me see. And Shiro, so those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. You can only see this live analysis on YouTube. So go to my YouTube, that's where you can be able to see. Yeah. How many people? Kevin Morage is in GBP I'll go back to GBP I see a lot of people asking about it. I'm talking about how many people took USD card. How many people are still holding USD card? How many people are on USD? Okay, as we wait for the Dogecoin. Dogecoin is on my watches because I said if you watch me and you follow me, this is our biggest project next year is crypto. So we are going to buy so many coins next year, not even next year. Once yes, now from now because you see I've already now added them on my watch list. We are going to invest a lot of like I'm targeting to invest like 10k USD on coins. And when it talks about coins, is these coins, not necessarily Bitcoin, not necessarily Dogecoin, not necessarily WorldCoin, but a coin which will have high probability with it. So I'm doing my own research, and once I'm done, I'll give you the overall bias on which coin to look forward to invest on. Okay, NAS 100. Nasdaq yesterday said they had a flag. Yesterday, yeah, we were here and they said it was going to drop again, but the market is not yet back to our entry point, which is the trend line. Currently on 4 hours, looking very steady bullish. Okay, I won't take any entry there because on 4 hours I see an head and shoulder also. The heads and the shoulders. I'll still patiently wait for this market to come back again to this order block. You see this order block? I'll wait for this order block on 4 hours. The ones I'm already still waiting for it. So patiently wait for the order block there. And then German 40. Simon is here. Yeah. Simon, did it? Market yako haikubuy from hapo, irudi hapa chini. Simon, you are here. So this is GR40, German 40 or German index. So German 40 is normally move very good, but doesn't have a lot of money in terms of PIP value. But it has very good movement in terms of market structures. Yeah. So I don't would advise you to focus on it. So now let's now down to the pairs you guys are asking. So someone is asking about GBP USD. GBP USD is not worth your time today. And the reasons why, one thing, this market is bearish. You can clearly see this market is bearish. This market is bearish. So going long position, you're going against the trend. So don't focus a lot of your energy on GBPUSD. It's just if you are risking, risk small on GBPUSD. So let's just execute a sell on Euro AUD. A sell on Euro AUD. Where should I adjust the stop loss? Okay, I'm going to Euro AUD right now. So we are looking forward on the pairs to focus on today. You normally know that after I'm done with my analysis, I do focus on my A setup. So GBP USD is not my A setup today. It's not my cup of tea, but yeah, that's the analysis. Marvin Modama is talking about gold. Gold, bado jarudi area zone. This is the gold nimeifanya. So if you don't see the analysis, you can go and watch this live analysis because I normally don't delete them. They are normally on my YouTube channel. You can be able to see them. There's this zone which the market is obeying. Gold I'm looking for more buys all the way to 2670s and these areas of order block on 1 hour. But I'm looking for to buy more gold on this area. Entry zone of 2594. That's my entry point on gold. That's my key area zone to look for more buys on gold. Okay. So Sir GJ on 1 hour. So if you want me to check out your pair, tap on the comment section so I can be able to answer. This area, you can have the entry on GBP JPY area on this area, this order blocks area. I know, sir. I know, Abdul. You are talking about this order block. Yeah, this is the order block you are talking about. You can look forward for buys again here. And I know you know how. By the time you are watching me, I know you know a criteria which you used to have your entries on GBP. No, not criteria. We used to have our entries on order block. And also this area I've noticed is also giving us a reversal structure, which is to be a reversal structure of a head and shoulder, which is the head part, the shoulder, another shoulder. So the re-entry should be here, but note that don't go fully on it on the GBP JPY. So the views should be here. Sorry. And how do you mark another block? Another block, you mark it with the whole candlestick. You see the way the whole candlestick, you mark the whole candlestick of the red candle. So you can look forward for more buys here. The market will be the market will be giving us this is Osongo is here. Did you take USD? Unaona USD card yako ya jana imeshuka barazo karibu. Okay, so this is GBP JPY. Look forward for that setup with an order block here. So I know you know how to have an entry on GU may correlate to which pair. Currently Euro USD. GU may correlate with Euro USD. GU correlate with Euro USD. So which other pair? Which other pair? So today, let me see on the call, and I don't see Pamela today's on my live. So guys, can you comment on which A setup you are looking for? You are looking for today using the analysis. So the A setup for today is GBP CAD only and US oil. US oil, yeah. US oil is still running. Why imekimbia sana? So the A setup is US oil and GBP CAD. And which other pair? So I'm giving up the A setup. Normally, once I'm done with the live analysis, I do give the A setups. So the A setups is US oil, GBP CAD. Which other pair? Which other pair? Not with Euro USD. Euro USD is not an A setup for today. You don't have any entry there. Euro AUD. And why are we looking for to sell Euro AUD? Okay, yeah. Another A setup today is Euro AUD. NZD CAD. No, we don't have any CAD JPY. No GBP AUD. Yeah, another A setup for us is GBP AUD today. And then GBP CHF, no. Euro GBP, I said no. Euro CAD. Another this one, but this is an setup which is materializing after 1 week. SLA Euro AUD, I'm giving out. Okay. Another A setup. Let me type down them. Nitaziandika. NZD not an A setup. Okay, NZD I said you have to confirm with the closure of 1 hour on the order block. Let's see, market imefungaje? Imefunga above the order block. So the closure of the current 1 hour ndio prepare the confirmation of the entry of NZD. But NZD is not an A setup until the confirmation of the order block. Gold not A setup because you are looking for the market to come back again down here. GU, we are looking. This is a flag, though not an A setup because we are against the overall direction of the market. So not an A setup, but it's a valid entry for us today. USD CHF, not an A setup, not back to our order block. AUD CHF, not A setup. GBP JPY on the order block, not A setup also. AUD CHF. AUD CHF A setup for us, AUD CHF mobiles A setup. So guys, can you note down them those pairs, or you just come back and watch this live once I'm done? USD CAD, not A setup because we still had the entries yesterday here, and also on 4 hours, there's a zone I've been looking. Okay. On USD CAD, the zone has been tapped. We are looking forward for this entry market to come back again to the break and retest here. So we might experience buys on USD CAD here. So those who are still holding USD CAD sales, close your take profit. Market imeguza TP because we were looking for this market to come back again to this break of structure and then just we continue buying this USD CAD because the overall direction of it is bullish. So if you're on USD CAD, close your profits again. So those are the A setups. I think I have mentioned more than 4 A setups. Yes. So GBP AUD, US oil, sir, I missed. Farida Messi. US oil eco activated. US oil eco activated. US oil eco activated by the time nimefanya analysis iko running. You can now reduce your stop loss. Yeah, you can reduce not you can adjust your lot size so you can have an entry. Okay, more comments before we end the live and questions. And those watching me on my TikTok, kindly go to my YouTube channel. I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why I do the analysis. So I'll do this analysis till end of January. Today we are November, December, and January. So I'll be going live on YouTube each and every day, each and every day, each and every day, each and every day till the end of January. Yes. That's the thing I've promised you. I'll be live on YouTube each and every day till the end of January because the way I've done my calendar is that I'll go live on November, December, and January, and then I'll strategize. I see is this materializing? Is something that is helping my community and people who follow me? And yeah, so as you can see the next progress on it. But yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you like that button. Make sure you share this live with your friends. And any other question, let me see on the comment section. Make sure you share it with your friends and recommend them to come and watch my YouTube again. Okay, so those are the pairs. I have mentioned the A setup which are more than 5. Which other question? Which other question? Which other question? Okay, let me stop sharing the screen so I can see also you guys on there. So I'm here. Okay, so Collins is saying, Collins Jr. is saying Euro AUD stop loss. Today my screen is much better and clear. So Euro AUD stop loss, I'm going to check out for you. Euro AUD stop loss, yeah, okay. And okay, which other question? Enoch is asking, Enoch Karubai, NZD is buying, NZD USD is buying. God bless you, your entries, your entire family. Thank you. So let me check out Euro AUD stop loss. The stop loss. I'll have to share the screen again, so it will not longer see me again. Okay, share my screen. Euro AUD. Which is it? Euro AUD. Yeah, Euro AUD stop loss. Okay, suppose on the AUD is the flag above the flag. That's why I'm going to give the flag. And why did you choose Euro AUD when we have so other good pairs? The flag is there. NZD USD is buying. NZD USD. NZD USD. Oh, Enoch Korobi is the one who is holding sales. Who is holding sales on NZD? I have told you NZD USD once we tap that zone, we might have a buy as well. Equal this zone. Okay, so Enoch Korabia, I know you're holding a sell na ulichukua sell yako huku. Okay, so make your confirmation decision to close here because I know you're in profit na unaogopa kufunga that entry because you are not sure if the market drops. So make your decision once this hour itafunga. So Enoch, have a little bit of patience and wait for this 1 hour to close. Okay, more questions, guys? Any other question? Okay, by the time also we are asking those questions, I'll give a poll. How do we have a poll? Okay, let me see. Let's have a poll. Let's have a poll. Let's have a poll. And a poll is asking question here, so I can have a poll. Uh, Start a poll. Can I get a buyer's entry on Euro GBP? I'm going to check for you the entry on Euro GBP. And start a poll. Ask me more question. I'm still live stream. So there's a poll there. You can be able to answer it. And can I get an entry on Euro GBP? Okay, let me share the screen so that I can show you Euro GBP before we end the live. So this guy, Enoch, just Enoch, why would you delete Nini the comment? Someone else, can you get Euro GBP? Let me see. I'm reading through all the comments. So okay, don't focus a lot on. Okay, don't focus on Euro GBP because on Euro GBP I explained because we don't have a clear view of the market. We have a head, a shoulder, and a shoulder dropping, and then we have an inverse head, shoulder, and shoulder. So the whole easy market starts as jet to break outside the moja, so you can have a clear direction of the market where it's heading to. So on Euro GBP, I was looking for more buys at these particular entries. This is the area I'm looking for. Nimefunga NZD USD. Oh, okay. So this is the area I'm looking forward for the entry. So meaning this area I'm looking for the entries on Euro GBP. So is it all the pairs we analyze that you take their entries? No, only so this is the question that people ask me. All these pairs I analyze like more than 10 or 15 pairs. Do I take all these pairs? You guys, you have seen, you have analyzed all, but we didn't have entries on all these pairs. We just only have 4 pairs. So just focus on the 4 pairs only. So it doesn't mean that because you analyze more than 20 pairs, you take all the pairs. You take only the A setup. That's why you have to stay on my live from the start to the last. Because by the end, we are ending this live. I normally conclude with the A setup. And I've already mentioned the A setups, which you have the A setup. I think we have more than 4 A setups. So within the 4 A setups, I'll take the one or two of the A setups. Yeah. Okay. Can you explain how we'll enter GBP CAD? That sponge pole when we stop trading, when we stop in trading December after nini. So kuanzia date 19 huko sema 20th, that's when the market inakwanga very slow. Okay, GBP card, GBP card. Okay, so GBP card, how is the 1 hour? Yeah, I have my entry there and my stop loss above now. That's my entry there. I'll take now because it's a confirmation for me. I wanted this market to close even a credit candle even. That's on GBP card. Yeah, that's my entry on GBP card. Eurocard was there and re-entry. Fin, Eurocard. No, we didn't have a re-entry on Eurocard Leo because the market imeguza TPA to Leo, so we didn't have a re-entry on Eurocard because ishaguza our TP on Eurocard. More questions, guys. More questions. More questions. Okay. If there's no any other questions, guys, you can hit that like button, share this live, and yeah, I'll see you on to the next live, which is tomorrow. Yeah, I wish you a good day and a profitable. If you have any inquiries, never fear to message me on my Telegram, TikTok, or Instagram. Just message me. Yeah. Let's just go on as well. Do you have any question? Let me see it shows I can do giveaways. Do you have any questions? Guys, let's hit the like button before we end this live. Let's end this live with more than 20 likes. Hit that like button on my YouTube layer. Hit that like button, kindly. Hit that like button before we end this live. Hit that like button. Bro, mambo uko area mgani and umechange how much for classes? Okay, before we end, we normally offer our classes at our offices. So mentorship and also classes, we charge for 30,000. The 30,000 include the training and the mentorship. And the mentorship also lasts for more than 30 days, no more than 6 months. So the mentorship is 6 months, and also the the training lasts for 1 month. So it's only one-time payment, which there's not any other charges. Yeah. And you can be able to access the community. You can be able to trade us with live in our offices. You can hear, no, you can hear the background. We have people in the offices. Yeah. And our office is located along the road near TRM. If you know TRM Mall, that's where our office is located. Once you are there, you can ask Lumumba Drive, the first avenue of Lumumba Drive, Royal Plaza, fifth floor. That's where our offices is located. Any other question? Any other question? Last question. Is there a possibility GU might drop today? Eric Kamau. Let me share my screen on GU. One thing you have to know, GU is bearish. There is no any structure indicating that the market has changed the structure. It's only a little bit of correction. So this is GU. Eric Kamau, with this flag, it's very rare. With this is a continuation. This is a flag. This is a flag, of which there's not any confirmation because I see the sellers. We have a fair swing, but I'm looking for G push Juki Dogo. Yeah, it's very rare for me to have because the structure is in Indonesia more, but this is a flag indicating for more continuation of a bullish movement. Okay, so one more question. Who else has a question? Okay. USD CHF, please. Let me check for you. Grace M. Grace M is saying I check. Let me see two more pairs so I can analyze them and end the live. So we just only have 25 votes. Guys, si muna vote hapo hivyo you support me. YouTube waone this live iko sawa. You know, I was nilitoka TikTok because of they normally restrict their live stream, so I cannot be able to share my screen very well on TikTok. Okay. Okay, before we end, let's hit the like button. We are at 19 likes. Let's hit more than 20 likes. Hit that like button, guys. Let's hit that like button. We are 19 and we have more than 50 people here. How long does XM take on withdrawals? Okay. Enoch, ushafunga USD CHF unasha withdraw. So exam they normally say 24 hours, but I don't think their egg withdrawals take more than an hour. So make sure that you know the actually let me announce this. Guys, exam has a 100% bonus. So currently their offer is ending this month. Today's on 20th. So we have less than 10 days for you to register an account with them and get the 100% bonus. What does this 100% bonus? Meaning, let me tell you, it doesn't make sense for you to open an account. You have $20, you deposit them, and you are trading a broker to pay your credit. Meaning, the moment you deposit that $10 with the broker who's not giving you credit, your equity is the same as $20. But if you deposit with XM, the link is on the bio. You can go on my TikTok or my Telegram, there's a link there. So if you open an account with Exam, you get an additional 20. They are offering a 100% bonus. And the 100% bonus, normally, it rarely comes in a year. So it normally happens on Black Friday. Is it Black November? In Black November. I hope it's Black November. Yeah. They normally offer the 100% bonus. Let me tell you how you can utilize these opportunities by, if you have a $500 account, you deposit on a broker, you'll get 500 as your equity. But if you deposit on XM, you can deposit 250 and 250 on different accounts, meaning each account will have an equity of 500 and 500. On total, you'll have an equity of 1,000. You can take that opportunity, meaning that you can deposit this 500, like you deposit $250, $250 on two different accounts, meaning you're going to acquire like $500 and $500 here, and in total you have $1,000. So take chance of these opportunities and fund your account, because once the 30 kifika, I think the offer itakuwa imefunga, you cannot be able to access the offer. So yeah, that is it. And the withdrawals last, mwenye ameuliza about the withdrawals on exam, the withdrawals last for they say 1 hour, but it's 1 hour, like 1 hour. They normally, like for me, if I make a withdrawals, they just come 1 hour. And another thing, because of exam, I know that you guys don't know about and you don't know about this thing called points. They have redeemable points. If you trade with XM, make sure you check your redeemable points in such a way that you can redeem your points into credit. Don't redeem them for money, because you redeem your points, it's like redeeming your supermarket points. They are not utapoa pesa kidogo, but if you redeem them in form of points, credit, you can be able to use that credit to trade. Okay, bro, I'm a video editor. Can I edit your videos? Yes, get in touch with me. I'm looking for video editors. Yes, get in touch with me. If you are near my office, that's good. Yeah, we can work with you. So true, I deposited 22, I was given $10. No, you are supposed to be given, you deposit 22, you're supposed to be given additional 22 with $100. No, 100% deposit. Yeah, make sure you deposit with them. So this offer is still valid only for February, for November. You're not February, it's for November only. Yeah, Belly on Telegram. Yes, just text me on my social media and then I'll see your work. We can work. Okay, one more question, one more questions. Okay, seems there's no any other questions. I wish you the best on the pairs to be analyzed. If you have any questions, you can text Telegram. And yeah, never fear, around the road, you can come and visit us to our office, say hi to us. Yeah, see you tomorrow. And thank you so much, guys, for joining my live. Yeah. Oh, USD CHF. Let me before I end. Someone is asking about USD CHF. So let me check USD CHF. Grace M. This USD CHF before I end the live. On USD CHF, this is the USD CHF. Okay, on USD CHF, we are looking for the market to come back to order block here. So this is the only safe zone for me to have buys. Yeah, this is the only buys nimeangalia. This the safe zone for me to have my buys on USD CHF. Okay, and thank you guys for tuning in. Bye bye.